Have you ever felt like you had to start your life all over again? Like everything you built collapsed, your progress erased, your confidence gone? If that's you right now, listen carefully, because somewhere 384,000 kilometers away, a story is unfolding that mirrors your life more than you think. NASA is going back to the moon, not for the first time, but again. This mission is called the Artemis Program. But here's what most people miss. They didn't just return, they had to rebuild everything from zero. The last time humans walked the moon was during the Apollo program. After that, silence. No return. Just a dream. Abandoned, but dreams don't expire. They wait. Now, after 50+ years, the journey restarts. New systems, new discipline, everything rebuilt from scratch. That's not just space, that's life. Here's the hard truth. We live in a world addicted to shortcuts. People want success without discipline, results without rebuilding, and that's why they stay stuck, because real growth is slow and uncomfortable. Rebuilding feels boring, frustrating, repetitive. That's where most people quit, not at failure, but at preparation. Let me ask you, how many times did you stop just because it was taking too long? Truth, people don't fail from lack of ability. They fail because they quit during the rebuilding phase, when nothing looks like progress. But that's where greatness is built, not in the launch, in the preparation. NASA didn't return with motivation. They did it with discipline, repetition, delay. And your life is no different. Your moon mission might be your career, your finances, your confidence, and right now you're rebuilding. So stop waiting to feel ready. Discipline beats motivation. If your life isn't working, fix your systems. Rebuild them. You don't skip steps to reach the moon. You prepare for them, and preparation takes time. The most dangerous moment isn't failure. It's quitting when nothing seems to work, because that's when progress is happening, silently, like a rocket on the ground, still, until it breaks gravity. So, if your life feels like zero right now, good. Zero is not the end. It's the foundation. Start small. Stay consistent. Keep one promise daily. Stay in the process. Trust the work, because your breakthrough is still there, waiting. And this time, you're becoming the person who can reach it. Subscribe for more.